looking at our 1994 Fleetwood Tioga. This is the hot water system. So the door hinge, the rivet or whatever they use, popped. It's supposed to look like this guy. Now, luckily, I was able to salvage the hinge. So I decided to try, and we'll put it back together with some of this JB Weld epoxy solution. And here's the pieces for it. So let's see what happens. Alright, so there's what it should look like. That side and that side. I'm going to take the epoxy, I'm just going to spread it all over this area and just cover it. And it's supposed to set in like 5 minutes and then totally cure in an hour. And then I can put the hinge back on. This slides on there, slides on that side, and closes up. Now let's go to the epoxy, shall we? Alright, so I'm gonna just squirt this epoxy on here. Yeah, we'll just do it all. It's a small package. And I'm gonna stir it up. This may not be the right way or your way, but it's my way. So, as always, please do your own research. Now I'm gonna go spread it. And I need 2 hands, so I'm just gonna have to come back. Alright, so there's the epoxy on there. I put some underneath. And I put the metal bracket down in the hook. And I put some all over the top of it. And I went ahead and just put some over here as a preventative. Just in case it's deciding it wants to break off as well. So I'm going to let that cure for about a half an hour or so. And I'm going to go ahead and put the door back on. And we should be good to go. There it is. It's back on. Both hinges. Drop it down. Probably needs a little bit more drying time, but it is cured enough to be used. So that's one thing off the list.